everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesperson. So today I'm going to show you how to use ScreenFlow under your component that is called Lightning component. And if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and please watch this video until end. So let's get started without any further delay. Okay, so let me open my org. First of all, I need to create ScreenFlow for this component. Okay, that is called Aura component. So here, let me open my org first of all. So once you open the org, so let me open any org I have, as I have here. So let me open any org, let's say this admin training, and here let me log in that particular org here. Okay, after logged in, so let me change this experience like Lightning experience right now. Okay, and you can see this is the Lightning experience here. This is the Lightning experience, right? So let me open any application as you want. Okay, so let me open like sales application. So under the sales, so here you can see this is a sales application, right? So let me click this gear icon and click on the setup. And if you want to create any flow under the Salesforce org, so under the quick find you have to search like as a flows. So once you search flow, you can see like flows here, right? Under the process automation section. So just click this flows here. So once you click this flow, you have to create new one, that is called new flow here. So just click this new flow, and once you click this new flow, there are so many types of flows here, like screen flow, record trigger flow, schedule trigger flow, platform event trigger flow, and auto launch flow. Like, so if you don't know about all the things, so you can watch my previous video and related to the like flows under the Salesforce. So for now, let me explain this ScreenFlow with Aura component. So just click this ScreenFlow here like this and choose any automation as you have, like auto layout or filter. So just choose this auto layout, and you can see here that is called start or endpoint, right? Under this start or endpoint, you can see like plus icon. Just click this plus icon and you can see different types of interactions, logic, data, these kind of things you can see under this screen element, right? So just click this screen, and now you have to give label. So like account capture, something like that. So if you don't know about these things, so you can watch my previous video, like what is ScreenFlow, what is component, and what is this section, and how to configure a header, footer. Okay, so don't worry about that. So first of all, let me tell you like how to create the records, like account records under the init. So how to create that? So first of all, let me show you. First of all, like name is a required field under the account object, you know very well. So let me create one variable, or we can say that one input element here. Just drag and drop in particular places like this. So this is name. Okay, so name, just enter here. If you want to make it as a required, so you can make it as a required with the hello this checkbox. So you can select name as a required field here, and you can provide any help for this text. So you can enter here like this is first text, this is first name here, like that. Okay, so please enter first name like that. So you can also enter like please enter something like that. Okay, so based on your need, so you can do that. So name is a required field. So now I want to take like name, rating, industry, and phone number from the account object, and how to create under the flow screen these all elements. Okay, and after that we will see this flow under the Aura component. This is the all overall process under this video or this tutorials. Okay, so here let me add one pick list value here, like pick list. Just drag and drop here and name it like as a rating here, rating, and make it as a required, because I don't I want to make as a required field this pick list. And under the choice, you cannot see any choices like pick list value, right? So let me create choices first and select here and select this pick list choice set, API name like ACC rating, right? And object, which object you want to take this one, like account object. So just search account here, and which data type you want to take, like pick list, and here which field you want to take from here. So I want to take like rating here. So just select the rating here, and just this is the like ascending, descending, or default order field. So based on your needs, so you can change that, right? So for now, leave it as it is and click on the done. Now you can see our pick list value set is done right now. Let me drag and drop another field that is called industry here, like industry. Okay, and make it as a required, and also you can create pick list value same as like we already created for the rating. So just click this pick list here and API name like account industry or ACC industry based on your need. So you can do that industry, right? Which object you want to take, like account object. I want to take account. Which field, like which type of data type you want to perform here, like pick list, and which field you want to perform, like industry. So you can choose industry and click on this done button. So I already created like name, rating, industry. These all filled enough for me right now. Okay, now here let me save this, or let me click this done here, and after that you can see here some screening flow, right? Like screen. So let me save this one first of all, like account capture flow demo, something like that, and save it for now. Once you save it, so you can see here it's automatic saved here, right? Just click this run, and after that you can see all the fields as we mentioned under the screen flow. Okay, so once you execute this flow, you can see this screen flow, that is all related fields under the accounts, right? So here you can see my title, that is called account capture flow, and this is the first name. And once you click this one, so it's the required, like this is the first name, it's a required field. This is the rating under the account, this is the industry. You can see it's the automatic binder, right? So here this is our flow, right? So my intention is how to create this record under the Salesforce, because you can capture these things but you cannot create the record right now. So let me click this plus icon. Under this plus icon you can select create record. Just click this create record and label it account create, something like that. So based on your need you can change this label or API name based on your standard. Okay, and let me choose this separate records and initialize the record here, and this is the account field, right? And after that you have to choose like name. This is the object like object account object field name, like name, and let me choose like name here. If anything is name here, you can see name. I just want to map this field here. And industry, you can select industry and search like industry. This is the ACC industry pick list value, right? And let me search like rating here, like rating. Just select this one and also select this rating here. Let me add another field as we have, or just leave it as it is, because we have only 3 fields. So let me leave it as it is here. Okay, so just click on the done button, and now you can see like create, right? Just save it, and let me check this flow is working or not as we expect. Just click this debug button, and after the debugging this flow, you can create your record under the account object. So how to create that? Let me show you. Just click this run button, and here you have to write like screen flow 1 and choose like rating here, industry as you want, like agriculture, and click on the next button. And after that you can see interview. If you don't know about this debug details and all the things, so you can watch my previous video related to this debugging and all the interviews, so don't worry about that. So for now you can see here like created record, industry this one, name this one, rating this one. So a record is already created under the Salesforce. So let me check this record is available or not under the account object. So let me click this account, and now you can see like screen flow. Just click this screen flow 1, and now you can see all the details as we mentioned under the screen flow, like hot, rating, account name, like screen flow, industry, agriculture. You can see each and every data here, right? So I hope you got the answer, right? So here how to use this screen flow, that is called account capture flow demo, under the Aura component. That is my intention. So how to use that? So first of all, let me close this one, also this one, and here under this Salesforce, let me click this gear icon and search under the developer console. And also you have to create new Aura component under this developer console. Okay, so let me click this file menu. Okay, just click this one under the file menu, create new, and you can see like lightning component. So just click this lightning component, and this is the like screen aura component, something like that. Okay, component. So here let me check all the check boxes here for now. Okay, and submit it. So here you can see one component is created now. Okay, this is the aura component. But how to use screen flow under this aura component, right? I will show you in upcoming seconds. Okay, so here let me format these all things, because this is the best practice to maintain your code quality and all the things, right? So here you can see my component is created now. So how to use like aura component, or how to use screen flow under the aura component? So if you don't know, so you can go through under the Salesforce website that is called component library. So let me open that library here. This is the help button. Just click this lightning component library. So just click here, and you can take help from the Salesforce side. That is all component library here, right? And here just you have to search under this quick find like flow, like flow. So once you search flow under the aura section, you can see like flow. Just click this flow here, and after that you can see this flow. Okay, so you have to copy this all things that is called here to here. Just copy and paste into your code here. So let me paste it out here. You can see. So let me click this controller, because I need this action that is called init action, initialization action. So just click this controller here, and let me copy that init method and paste it out here like this. And also you can copy this code from here to here, this one, this 2 line of code, and paste it out here, this one. And let me change this CMP to component here. And after that you already write this code here, right? So you have to change this start flow name here. This is the flow name. So how can find out my flow name? Okay, under the Salesforce. So you can find out with the help of this navigation. I will show you here under the flow, and you have to search your flow that is called account capture flow demo, this one. So under this drop down you have to click this one and see this view details and version. Just click this one, and after that you can see flow API name. This is the API name here to here, this API name. Let me copy this one and paste it here in my like flow.start flow. Okay, let me paste it out here, and let me save this. And after that you can see my file is automatic saved here, that is called, this is the JS file, this is the component file. So let me use this component under the Salesforce lightning application. So how to use that? So just click this file icon, new, and click this lightning application, and again you have to create your app here, and just click this button that is called submit. And after that you can see my application, right? And after that you have to use your component under this application. So if you don't know about aura, so you can watch my previous playlist that is related to the aura, and you can see all the things, right? And you can understand. So C colon and write your component name here. So this is the way to inject component under the application, under the lightning component. Okay, so how to execute this one? So here you can see like preview button. Just click this preview, and once you click this preview, you can see this all kind of UI here. Okay, so here you can see all the component. After you can see like this one, this is the help text and all the things. Because of you cannot use SLDS right now, so let me add SLDS here, like application extends, means you can use X, or maybe like inheritance. You can see this inheritance under the Apex, like extend force colon SLDS, this one. So just save it, and after saving these things you can see a new UI related to this our component, that is aura component. And after that you can see my UI, like account name. Let me zoom out here, like account name, right, rating and industry. You can see all the things under the aura component. So how to create the record? So same thing you can apply, like account record from aura, like aura, and use like hold and banking here, and click on the next. And after some time you can see here our record is automatically created. So how to check that? Under this things that is called account tab, Again, you have to refresh this list view and you can select account report from Aura. Just click this one and you can verify all the details is coming or not coming from Aura with ScreenFlow. You can see here that is called account report name, and this is the rating and this is the industry. So guys, I hope you understand all the things, and I hope you learn something new in this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and please support me. So till then, bye bye, take care. Okay, bye, thank you.